excited. Last unit, Trig. You have 2 more quizzes in May 16th when you start the senior finals. Senior finals, May 16th. May 16th. May 16th is the senior finals. And that's when we're going to do our post-test. I didn't even think about how they did it this year. I'm just going with the flow. Well, we have 2 things going on. We've got what's called the post-test, which is 13.1. Yes. 13.1. We're gonna start out with vocabulary. I just spent 5 minutes explaining. Describe what's going on here. We have a pendulum swinging. The average temperature each month in Texas. A heartbeat. The time for a high tide and low tide each day. What's going on here? What can you make a conjecture about these statements? Yep, they're repeating. Okay, can you come up with another example? These sophomores being stupid, that's a pattern, right? That repeats. Yeah. Stupid sophomores. See? The stupidity is repeating. Okay, the...
You know, like, there's Seth Rogen and Jonah Hill, like, they're all funny and kind of chubby, they look Jewish.
Wonderful. Yes.
Mr. D.
Kind of, but it's got to repeat throughout the year.
Are you Jewish? You smell There's an extra all Sophomore. You have no reason to say waking up.
Yes. Yeah. Your morning routine. The concepts. Shh. A function that repeats a pattern at regular intervals. That would be a period. One complete pattern. Oops. Cycle is one complete pattern, and the horizontal length is the period function. Okay, now, okay, the period is a function that repeats a pattern. The period function is the horizontal length. Okay? Shh. Quiet down. Analyze the period function. Identify the cycle in 2 different ways. What is the period of the function? Okay. So this is what I like to do. Bless you. First of all, make sure it's shh, shh, shh. Make sure it's a period function and it repeats, okay? So what I like to do is I like to highlight one period Okay? Then it starts to repeat again. You with me? Okay, so the period is the horizontal length of this period function. So the period here, hey, so the period is 1, 2, is from here to here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Okay? That would be the range. Okay, the range would be from your min to max or max to min. So my min here would be -1, -2, and my max 1, 2, 3 is 4. So my range would be the range is from your min to your max. Okay? Because that's the y-axis. Shh, guys! I'm going to have to kick you guys out if you're not going to be more quiet. Just keep your voices down. That's all I ask. From -2 to 4, 6. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3. Yep, you're right. Yes, you're going to need to know the range. So the range is how many units? 7 units, also. Yeah, it's absolute value from the min to the max. Did I screw it up again? 1. Yeah, you're right. I'm so sorry. I gotta clean my glasses. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it on the next one. Let's highlight a period. Let's see, it's going to go from here. Okay, there's one period. So our period's going to go from here to here. So the period's 1, 2, 3, 4 units. My range, let's see, I've got -1, 2, -3, -4, -5, -6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from +6 to -6? Did you? Okay. I can't see crap. I really have to get new glasses.
Mr. D, you're getting old.
I am. I admit it.
You got the cataracts or what?
No, I don't have cataracts yet, but my
Instead of
vision.
getting a Cadillac, you got a Cadillac.
I do have a Cadillac.
It's probably old and busted.
It's pretty old, but I bought it brand new.
How many miles does it have on it?
120. Huh?
Tell me it.
No, it's still a good car.
Yeah, tell me it. Mr. D, my grandma let me take her Jeep, which is the stick shift, and I was driving it, and this car almost hit me, and then, like, I got scared, so I let go of the clutch, because he was, like, really close to hitting me, and then it died, and I was like, I'm gonna fucking die.
Number 3. Is this a period function? Shh. No, because yeah, it doesn't repeat. How about the next one? Yes, it is. It kind of looks like a heartbeat almost, huh? Okay, so the period. See, now the periods I have no problem with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The range. Here we go. Huh. I'm just going to try to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And actually, we should be using interval notation, shouldn't we? Okay, so our max is what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't see this. What's my max? Is it 8? And what's my min? -3. We should be using interval notation, right? -3, 8. Since we learned that. Yeah, we really should. Okay. The lowest number, your min first, yeah. It would never happen because your positives go up on top. All right, your concepts that we're going to learn here next. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, the amplitude. Is half the distance between the max and the min values. So they have a little formula for you. The amplitude equals 1/2 parentheses max value minus min value. Pretty easy. Okay, what do you think is the horizontal line midway between the max and the min? Midway between. Come on, give it to you. Midline, right?
Midline.
And we have a little formula for that. Halfway between 2 points is what? The average, right? 1/2 the max plus the min. Okie dokie. You ready? What is the amplitude of the period function? What is the equation of the midline? Okay, again, I'd like to highlight at least one period. Oh, you could go anywhere. Let's see. My max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? 5? This one's at. Is this one at 5? It's at 5, right? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, my min. Let's see. -1, -2, -3. I'm working on it. Okay, the period. Let's see. It's from here to here. So 1, 2, 3. I'm getting 5. 1, 2, 3. Is it 5? 1, 2. From starting point to end point. The spaces. Oh, don't count lines. No, count spaces. Is what? Did I screw it up? No. From top. Uh-oh. You might be correct. Man, my eyesight is going so crazy. I think you're right. I think it should include this, right?
This is right here.
It should include that one, right? Yeah. So it's 6. Okay. The maximum and min stay the same. Okay, then it says, what is the equation of the midline? So y equals 1/2. Let's see, the max value is 5 plus the min value is -3. We could actually figure out where the midline is, right? 1/2 of 2, which equals 1. So at 1, we have our midline. So here's 1. So that would be our midline. Okay.
Does it get harder than that?
Yes. Okay, this is just basic vocabulary for the trig functions. Yeah, this isn't too bad. 13.1 is pretty easy. Okay, should we do one more?
I say we do it on our own.
Well, you have a practice worksheet. We could do one on the practice worksheet. You want to just do the last one on here? All right, let's highlight a cycle.
This one doesn't go in the negative.
You could do it wherever you want. Okay, here's the period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My min is 0. I got that one right. Here's my max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. So my range is going to be from 0 to 8. And what else I want? Midline. Y equals 1/2. Max value is 8 plus min is 0, which equals half of 8 is 4. So my midline's at 4. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Rate your understanding 0 because I was talking and using profanity and being disrespectful to the teacher. Being disrespectful to the teacher. Cause I'm stupid. There. No, I was talking about some of the students' level of understanding in my class today. Okay? So, now, remember what the period is, right? It's the length. It's the length of my graph, right? So, it has to be 0.03. And then it says the amplitude is 2. So I'm going to go 2 this way. And then I'm going to go 2 this way. Or should I just do 2 and 0? Amplitude is 2. What's the amplitude again? Nope, it's the distance between the max and min. So I'm going to use 0. 0 and 2. So my max is 2. My min is 0. So I need, let's see, a sound wave. So it's going to have a max, a 0, a min, and then back to 0. Okay. So I'm going to need 4 quarters. Ew, that's going to be ugly. I'm just going to sketch it. How about that? No, that's max and min. The amplitude is the distance between max and min, right? So there's my sketch of a sound wave. That's it. So you could do 11. Describe a situation that you could represent with a period function. How about the amount of time these people use profanity? That would be a... Yeah, every time they talk loud in class. But then that would be a, wouldn't that be a constant function? Yeah, that would be a constant function. Hey, guys, if you're this loud tomorrow, I'm serious. I'm gonna ask you to leave because it's okay to, this was vocabulary, but we're getting into radian measures and stuff. It's gonna have to be quiet. So make a choice. Either come to class and be quiet or just stay away.